Now let us see about temperature. Temperature is derived from heat. Heat is a form of energy. The natural source of the heat is sun. Heat is present everywhere. There is heat in both cold and hot substances. Whether it is ice cube or normal water or hot water, all these substances have heat. The state of heat is different, like ice has 0 degrees Celsius and normal water has 25 degrees Celsius and hot water has approximately 80 or 90 degrees Celsius. This various state of heat is called temperature. What is temperature? Temperature is a physical quantity that expresses the degree of hotness or coldness of the substances. Heat given to a substance will increase its temperature. Heat removed from the substance will lower its temperature. Definition of the temperature. The temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of the particle in a system. Average kinetic energy of the particles. If we consider a gas filled with a container, the gas particles, the number of gas particles are there inside of the container. Here we must understand the average kinetic energy of the particle. Let's consider this is a system. The system is filled with gas particles. These gas particles moving here and there at random. Each and every particle of the system are having kinetic energy. This kinetic energy of the particles measured in temperature. In cold substances of kinetic energy, of the particles are slow. In hot substances, speed of the kinetic energy is high. At high temperature, the molecules and atoms are moving with a high speed. There are more advantages or uses in below level of 0 degree temperature. The SI system of the temperature is Kelvin. The thermometers are used to measure the temperature directly. The thermometers are calibrated with some standard scales like Celsius, Kelvin and Fahrenheit. In these thermometers, the melting point of the ice, already we know that the melting point of the ice of the water is 0 degree Celsius. So that 0 degree Celsius, the water is in the solid form. So that is called LFP. LFP means lower fixed point. Lower fixed point. UFP. Here UFP means upper fixed point. This 0 degree Celsius means like ice cubes. The water in the solid form means a pure ice. So that is 0 degree Celsius. And then UFP, upper fixed point for the water is 100 degrees Celsius. This is called the boiling point of the water. This is boiling. Two extreme of the temperature has the, two extreme of the heat has the temperature. This is 0 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius. This measurement in Kelvin scale. The lower fixed point is 273 Kelvin. Upper fixed point is 373 Kelvin. In Fahrenheit scale, lower fixed point is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Upper fixed point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Here in Celsius, in Kelvin and Fahrenheit. These three scales of the measurements are given here. The same like that. UFP, I mean upper fixed point of the measurement in Celsius scale and Kelvin scale and Fahrenheit scale we can observe easily through this diagram. or in this picture. Applications of various thermometric scales. Physicians use clinical thermometers. It is graduated in Fahrenheit scale. Normal temperature of the human body is between 98.4 degree Fahrenheit and 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. In Celsius, 36.8 degrees Celsius. That is the normal human body temperature. The second one, scientists are using thermometers with the Kelvin scale. And third one, common temperature measurements are made in Celsius scale. For example, weather reports are given in the Celsius scale. I mean the temperature of the atmosphere, like that. One more special thermometer is there, infrared thermometer. An infrared thermometer measures the temperature of an object or body without any physical touching. You would have seen this infrared thermometer during this COVID-19 pandemic. In common places, policemen and other medical people are using this. There are more advantages or users in below level of the temperature. I mean below level of the temperature means below 0 degrees Celsius. Below 0 degrees Celsius means minus level of the temperature. At minus 243.2 degrees Celsius, I mean 30 Kelvin. At very lower temperature, some conductors conduct electric current without any loss. So the electricity conducted through the conductors. Conductors means metals. All the metals are the conductors. So the electricity conduct electric current without any loss. Without any loss means without any resistance. These conductors are known as superconductors. The superconductors are used to levitate a train from the track. Superconductors can be used as memory or storage element in the computers. So at low level, below 0 level of the temperatures also is very useful in our day-to-day life. Some numerical formulas for scales conversion. First question, convert 80 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. The given values in Celsius, you have to change in Kelvin. The formula for to change Kelvin. Kelvin is equal to Celsius plus 273. Whenever the question will be there, ask the question in Kelvin, you have to add 273 with the Celsius scale. That's all. So given Celsius is 80, 273 is the formula. So when add 80 plus 273, the given answer is 353 Kelvin. Second question, convert 50 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. The formula Kelvin is equal to C plus 273. C means centigrade. Centigrade plus 273. The given centigrade is 50 degrees Celsius plus 273. The answer is 323 Kelvin. Next question, Kelvin into Celsius. The given value is in Kelvin. You have to change into Celsius. First question, convert 300 Kelvin into Celsius. The formula is C is equal to, Celsius is equal to Kelvin minus 273. Celsius, what is the given Kelvin? 300 minus 273 from the formula. So 300 minus 273, answer is 27 degrees Celsius. The second question is convert 400 Kelvin into Celsius. So the given is 400 Kelvin. You have to convert into Celsius. If you want to convert into Celsius, the formula is C is equal to K minus 273. What is the given K value? 400 minus 273. What is the answer? 127 degrees Celsius. So we can easily convert into Celsius into Kelvin, Kelvin into Celsius. If you convert into Celsius into Kelvin, the formula is K is equal to C plus 273. If you want to convert into Kelvin into Celsius, the formula is Celsius equal to Kelvin minus 273. That's all. Thank you, girls.